Welcome to HSA Bank's Health Savings Account Overview. What is a health savings account? If you are covered by an HSA-compatible health plan, you may be eligible to open a tax-favored, FDIC-insured health savings account, or HSA. Your HSA is used to pay for eligible medical expenses that are not paid for by your health plan. They may include deductibles, coinsurance, or prescriptions. Your HSA is an individually owned account. This means that any funds contributed to your account by an employer or third party are yours to keep. It also means that you have full control over how and when to use the account. There are 3 tax advantages associated with your HSA. Contributions can be made on a pre- or post-tax basis. Distributions for eligible medical expenses are tax-free. And even the earnings or interest on your account is tax-deferred. HSAs are unique because unlike other medical savings accounts, the funds in your HSA roll over from year to year. This flexibility allows you to pay for current medical expenses while you save for future expenses or even your retirement. Internet banking. HSA Bank developed its internet banking system to be your #1 HSA resource. Just by logging in, you can fully manage nearly every aspect of your HSA. This system gives you access to your account history, including real-time balance and transaction information, and even allows you to access your investment account. You can also use internet banking to order checks and debit cards, view check images, or download tax documents. One of the most convenient features is the online transfer capability. This two-way option allows you to transfer funds from a personal bank account to your HSA as a contribution, or transfer funds out of your HSA to your personal bank account as a reimbursement option for expenses paid out of pocket. Internet banking also allows you to monitor your account through email alerts. You can set alerts to notify you when a contribution or distribution has been posted to your account. You can also set threshold notifications to alert you of when your account balance goes above or below an amount you've selected. Your HSA can be pivotal in managing and controlling your healthcare expenses. For a demonstration of how easily you can manage your HSA through internet banking, click Internet Banking Demo in the Resources section to the right of your screen. Contributions and distributions, saving and spending HSA funds. Each year, the IRS determines the maximum contribution limit and the catch-up contribution amount. The maximum contribution limit determines how much you may contribute to your account in a given year. This amount varies depending on if you have family or single coverage. The catch-up contribution was designed for individuals 55 years of age or older. Since HSAs have only been available for a short time, the catch-up contribution allows an HSA to still be an attractive option for those 55 years old and above. Contributions can be made to your account by your employer, a third party, or by you personally, but the total contribution amount may not exceed the maximum contribution limit for that year. You can make post-tax contributions to your account by making an online transfer by sending a check to HSA Bank. If your HSA-compatible coverage is offered through your employer, you may be able to make pre-tax contributions to your account through payroll deductions. When removing funds from your account, you may choose to write a check from your HSA checkbook, use a debit card for point-of-sale purchases, or request a manual withdrawal from HSA Bank. If you pay for an expense out of pocket, you can reimburse yourself by making an online transfer from your HSA to a personal bank account, remove funds at an ATM with your debit card, write a check from your HSA checkbook to yourself, or request a manual withdrawal. Eligible expenses. An eligible expense is an item you may purchase with your HSA without incurring taxes or fees. Eligible expenses range from dental care and acupuncture to surgery or mental health treatment. You can use your HSA dollars for the medical expenses of your spouse or tax dependents. If you choose to use your HSA money for a non-eligible item before the age of 65, The purchase will be subject to standard income tax at a penalty from the IRS. After age 65, funds can be used for non-eligible expenses and only incur standard income tax. HSAs are flexible to your financial needs. If you incur a $500 expense, but only have $400 in your HSA, you can pay the remaining $100 out of pocket and reimburse yourself from your HSA once you've had a chance to accumulate more money. If you do not have many expenses right now, or if you are able to comfortably pay for your expenses out of pocket, consider investing your HSA funds. HSA Bank offers 2 self-directed investment platforms with stocks, bonds, and over 13,000 mutual funds to choose from. And HSA Bank has no fee for investing and no minimum balance requirements. Best of all, if you lose your HSA compatible coverage for any reason, you can still use the remaining funds in your HSA for eligible medical expenses. And once you regain HSA compatible coverage, you can go back to contributing to the account as normal. HSA Bank's customer service. HSA Bank is there for you every step of the way. Whether you prefer to go online or talk to someone in person, we've got you covered. Our expert customer service representatives can assist you by phone Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Central Time. During non-business hours, you can email our staff at askus@hsabank.com and receive a response within 1 to 2 business days. Bankline, which is a toll-free, automated system, can provide you with your latest balance and transaction information 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. To manage nearly every aspect of your account, simply log into Internet Banking. If you'd like additional information about any of the topics described here, you can always contact our Client Assistance Center at 800-357-6246.